Lesson 4. Multiplication and division. First, multiplication. Multiplying a given number by a 3-digit number. Multiply 807 into 126. Here 807 is the multiplicand and 126 is the multiplier. First we'll multiply by 6 units. So 807 into 6 comes to 6 sevens are 42, 2 is written, 4 is carried over, kept in mind. 6 zeros are 0 plus 4 is 4, 6 eights are 48. So the product is 4842. Then we'll multiply by 2 tens, so 0 is written. Then 2 sevens are 14, 4 is written, 1 is carried over, kept in mind. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1, 2 eights are 16. Then we'll multiply by 1 hundreds, so we'll write down 2 zeros. 1 sevens are 7, 1 zeros are 0, 1 eights are 8. Now we'll make the addition. 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 6 is written, 1 is carried over. 4 plus 6, 10. Plus 1, 11. 1 is written, 1 is carried over. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So the multiplication is 1,01,682. Next one. 6,429 multiplied by 509. First we'll multiply by 9 units. 9 nines are 81. 1 is written, 8 is carried over. 9 twos are 18 plus 8, 26. 6 is written, 2 is carried over. 9 fours are 36 plus 2, 38. 8 is written, 3 is carried over. 9 6 are 54 plus 3, 57. Now we'll put 1 0 and multiply by 0 tens. When we multiply by 0, the product comes to 0. Then we'll multiply by 5 hundreds. So we'll put 2 zeros. 5 nines are 45. 5 is written, 4 is carried over. 5 2 are 10 plus 4, 14. 4 is written, 1 is carried over. 5 fours are 20 plus 1, 21. 1 is written, 2 is carried over. 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32. Now we'll make the addition. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 6 plus 0 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 is written, 1 is carried over. 7 plus 4, 11. Plus 1, 12. 2 is written, 1 is carried over. 5 plus 1 is 7. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 3, 3. So the product is 32,72,361. Next, word problem. If a certain two-wheeler cost 53,670 rupees, how much will 35 such two-wheelers cost? 53,670 rupees cost of one vehicle into 35 number of vehicles. We'll multiply by 5 units. 5 zeros are 0. 5 sevens are 35. 5 is written, 3 is carried over. 5 6 are 30 plus 3, 33. 3 is written, 3 is carried over. 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18. 8 is written, 1 is carried over. 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26. Now we'll multiply by 3 tens. So we'll put 1 0 here. 3 zeros are 0. 3 sevens are 21. 1 is written. 2 is carried over. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20. 0 is written. 2 is carried over. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. 1 is written. 1 is carried over. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. Now we'll make the addition. 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 0 5. 3 plus 1 4. 8 plus 0 8. 6 plus 1 7. 2 plus 6 8. 0 plus 1 1. So the product is 18,78,450. So the costing of 35 two-wheelers is 18,78,450 rupees. Now we'll see pairing of objects from two groups in different ways. Look here. He's your friend Ajay. He wants to travel light. So he took with him 3 shirts, 1 red, 1 green and 1 blue, and 2 pairs of trousers, 1 white and 1 black. But he doesn't want to repeat the same dress. So in how many different ways does he have of pairing of a shirt with trousers? First day, Ajay wears red shirt with black trousers. Second day, he enjoys green shirt with black trouser. Third day, he uses blue shirt and black trousers. On the fourth day, he uses red shirt with white trouser. Fifth day, he is seen in green shirt and white trousers. And on the sixth day, he wears blue shirt with white trousers. So altogether, how many different pairs? 6 pairs. And how did he get it? See here, 3 shirts and 2 trousers. 3 into 2, 6. That means the number of different pairs formed by pairing of objects from 2 groups is equal to the product of the number of objects in the 2 groups. Now students, we'll see what is meant by division. You have learned some things about division. You know that division means making equal parts of a given number or subtracting a number repeatedly from a given number. Now solve the following and write the quotient and remainder. 1207 divided by 27. Here 1207 is dividend and 27 is the divisor. First we'll prepare the table of the divisor, that is 27. As 27 is a 2-digit number, first we'll take the 2 digits of the dividend. But 12 is less than 27, so we cannot divide 12 by 27. So 27 zeros are 0. So 12 minus 0 is 12 and we'll put the next digit 0. So now 120 divided by 27. Look at the table of 27 and find out the number which is just smaller than 120. So 27 4s are 108. So now we'll put 4 in the division. So 120 minus 108 is 12. Then we'll put the next digit 7. So now 127 divided by 27. Again from the table we'll find out the number just smaller than 127. It is again the same. 27 4s are 108. So we write down 4 in the division. So 127 minus 108 is 19. So remainder is 19 and division is 44. Next, the contribution for a picnic was 65 rupees each. Altogether 2,925 rupees were collected. How many had paid for the picnic? Here we have to make the division. So 2,925 divided by 65. Here also we can prepare the table of 65. But when the divisor is a big number, we can solve the example by first guessing what the quotient will be. Let us see how to do this. As the divisor is two-digit number, first we will consider two digits from the dividend, that is 29. But 29 is less than 65, so we have 0 in the thousands place in the quotient. So 65 zeros are 0. 29 minus 0 is 29. We'll put the next digit 2. So now 292 divided by 65. Now we'll consider two digits in 292, that is 29, and one digit in 65, that is 6. So 29 divided by 6. Here 6 4s are 24. So 65 into 4 comes to 260. So 292 minus 260 comes to 32. Now we'll write down the next digit 5. So 325 divided by 65. Again we'll consider 32 divided by 6. So 6 5s are 30. That means 65 into 5 comes to 325. So 325 minus 325 is 0. So the remainder is 0 and the division is 45. That means 45 persons had paid for the picnic. Next, mixed example. A shopkeeper bought 7 pressure cookers at the rate of 1,870 rupees per cooker. He sold them all for a total of 14,230 rupees. Did he get less or more money than he had spent? First we'll find out the total cost of pressure cookers. 1,870 rupees for one cooker into 7 number of pressure cookers. The multiplication is 13,090. So 13,090 rupees for all pressure cookers. The shopkeeper sold them all for a total of 14,230 rupees. So 14,230 rupees total sale minus 13,090 rupees total buying cost. The subtraction is 1,140 rupees. That means the shopkeeper got 1,140 rupees more than he had spent. Next, the capacity of an overhead water tank is 3,000 liters. There are 16 families living in this building. If each family uses 225 liters every day, will the water be enough for all the families? If not, what will the daily shortfall be? Each family uses 225 liters every day. So 225 liters multiplied by 16 families. The multiplication is 3,600 liters. That means the water used every day is 3,600 liters. The capacity of an overhead water tank is 3,000 liters. That means the water will not be enough for all the families. Now 3,600 liters minus 3,000 liters is equal to 600 liters. That means the daily shortfall will be of 600 liters.